Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kalyan Digital and welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's super important for any website owner out there. Image optimization. Trust me, you don't want to sleep on this. Having your images dialed in can seriously boost your website's performance, improve user experience, and even help with your SEO game. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the different types of optimization to the best tools and techniques to get the job done right. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I've got you covered. We'll be diving deep into compression, resizing, caching, the whole 9 yards. So if you're ready to make your website lightning fast and give your users the best possible experience, buckle up. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break down the different ways you can optimize your images. First up, we have compression. This is all about shrinking down the file size of your images without sacrificing too much quality. It's like using a zip file for your pictures. Smaller size, same great content. Then there's resizing, which is exactly what it sounds like, adjusting the dimensions of your images. This is crucial because you don't want to use a massive high-resolution image for a tiny thumbnail on your website. That's just overkill, and it slows down your load times. Next, we have caching. This is a super useful technique that allows browsers to store copies of your images so they don't have to download them every single time someone visits your site. Think of it like saving a shortcut on your desktop. And finally, we have lazy loading. This is a smart way of loading images only when they're needed, like when someone scrolls down to that part of the page. It's all about prioritizing what needs to load first, so your website feels snappy and responsive. Now that you know the different types of image optimization, let's talk about some specific techniques you can use. First off, we have lossy and lossless compression. Lossy compression throws away some of the data in your image to reduce the file size, while lossless compression keeps all the data, just in a more efficient way. It's a trade-off. Lossy gives you smaller files, but lossless preserves all the details. Another important technique is image format optimization. Choosing the right format for your images, like JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparency, can make a big difference in file size and quality. And then there's color palette reduction. This is all about using fewer colors in your image, which can significantly reduce file size, especially for graphics and illustrations. By using these techniques, you can fine-tune your images for the perfect balance of quality and performance. Okay, so we've covered the types and techniques of image optimization. Now let's talk about the tools that make it all happen. First up, we have ImageOptim. This free tool is a lifesaver for quickly compressing images without losing quality. It's like magic. Just drag and drop your images and boom, smaller file sizes. Then there's TinyPng, another great option for both PNG and JPEG compression. It's super easy to use and does a fantastic job of shrinking down those file sizes. If you're working with more advanced edits, Adobe Photoshop is the industry standard for a reason. It's got a ton of powerful features, including image resizing, cropping, and saving for web optimization. And if you're on the hunt for a free alternative, GIMP is a fantastic open source option that can handle most of what Photoshop can do. These tools give you the power to optimize your images like a pro, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Alright, now let's talk about some best practices to keep in mind when optimizing your images. First and foremost, always use the right image format. JPEGs are great for photos, PNGs are ideal for graphics with transparency, and GIFs are perfect for simple animations. Next, make sure you're compressing and resizing your images properly. Don't just upload those massive files directly from your camera. Use the tools we talked about earlier to shrink them down to a manageable size. Implementing lazy loading is also crucial, especially if you have a lot of images on your website. This will make your site feel much faster for your users. And finally, don't forget to monitor your image performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to see how your images are affecting your website's loading speed and make adjustments as needed. Following these best practices will help you create a website that's both visually appealing and lightning fast. So there you have it, guys, the complete guide to image optimization. We've covered everything from the basics to more advanced techniques, so you can take your website to the next level. Remember, image optimization is an ongoing process, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can make it a breeze. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!